Oh no! The road is broken!
We can't drive safely here.
Road closed for safety. It's a quiet day.
Hello? A broken road? Let's fix it together! Safety first! We're on our way! Thanks for coming! Thanks for coming! This needs cleaning first. This needs cleaning first. I'm in position. Careful scoop.
Aligned and ready. Position confirmed.
Perfect load!
Ready for the next scoop. Slow and steady.
Slow and steady.
Nice and clean! I'll take this away! Almost there! Unload complete! Coming back! Nice and clean! Time for new materials!
I'm here for supplies.
Sand loaded.
Gravel secure. Gravel secure.
Dump the gravel safely.
Oh,
I'm lining up carefully.
nice and steady.
Perfect position.
Nice and steady. Perfect position. Off to deliver.
The materials are on their way. The materials are on their way. steady, and safe.
I'm carefully aligning. I'm carefully aligning. Sand inside.
Sand inside.
I'm lined up.
I'm in.
Sand inside. All set. Gravel ready. Gravel inside.
The cement is ready.
Cement inside.
Hose aligned.
The hose is aligned.
Water inside.
Filled.
My turn. Lining up. Easy does it. Making it smooth. My turn to help. Go, roller!
Lining up.
Take it slow. Teamwork makes it smooth. Backing up. Nice and easy. Backing up. Nice and easy. We did it together! Scoopy digs nice and slow. Dumpy carries, watch him go. Mixie spins round, strong and true. The road is ready.
Safety first.
Green means go. Drive slowly. Green means go. Oh.
All right, team, let's roll.
Go slowly and safely.
Stop and wait.
Thank you, construction workers.
Obey traffic laws.
Very good and smooth. The road is great. Drive safely. Teamwork makes roads safe. The road is finished. Road safe. The road is finished. construction workers.
Great teamwork! Nothing! Teamwork! Hark! Working together, side by side.
Work safely. Drive safely.
Everything's working.
Goodbye.
And funny.
See you next time.